Hello. In this video, we will discuss how to create new web pages and how to make sure that all your pages are viewable on the JISD website. To get started, log into the SOX system. This is the Articles menu. From this page, you can view staff pages you already have, or you can create new pages. To get started, we're going to click on the Create Article button. It's the first button at the top of the menu in the middle of our screen. This is the Create Article page within the SOX program. From here, we will get started with creating our new page. In the headline box located here, choose a name for your new page. Don't worry if you choose a name that you wish to change at a later date. Later in this tutorial, we'll show you where to change the headline if you want. Once you have entered a headline, click the Article Editor button located on the right. This is the article editor. From this page, you can edit the content of your page and make changes that people visiting your page can see. At the top of the page is the basic article information. This area includes your headline, tagline, byline, and your name as the author. Notice that your headline can be edited here, so if you change your mind later, this is where you would do it. This is the SOX toolbar. This is where we will find the tools we need to edit our page. Below the toolbar, you will find your article. This is the space that you can edit that will show up when people select your page. You can add pictures, web links, file links, or any text that you would like visitors to your page to be able to see. Once you have added the information that you want to your page, it's time to make sure that the page is live and viewable. Use the arrows on your keyboard or the scroll wheel on your mouse to scroll down to the Publish Dates and Publish Settings section of the article editor. Here you have several options. In the Publish Dates section, you will notice a Begin Date and an Ends On option. Always make sure that your Begins On date is set to the day that you want your page to go live. As a rule of thumb, if you want your page to go live the same day you create it, backdate it one day just to make sure that it goes live on the day that you want. If you want your page to expire and no longer be viewable on a certain date, make sure you set an ends on date before you save and exit. Always make sure that your ends on date isn't set to the same day you want your page to begin. If you never want your page to expire, click the Does Not End button, and the page will remain live until you delete it. You also have the option of displaying the publish date on your page. Checking the box is optional. Below the Publish Dates section is the Publish Settings section. There are two important things to do here. First, under Section, make sure that you click the drop-down menu and select the option with your name. This ensures that your page is associated with you and doesn't get lost in the SOX system. Second, find the Approval button. Make sure this box is checked before you exit and save. This makes sure that your new page shows up under your pages. Once you have made all the changes you want to your page and have double-checked the Publish Dates and Publish Settings sections, it's time to submit your article. Scroll back to the top of the page and click the Submit Article button. Navigate back to the Articles menu and click on the My Staff Pages button. These are your current staff pages that you have created. Look for the one that you just made. You can choose to view it or you can choose to edit it. If you don't see your newly created page, return to the Articles menu. If you couldn't find the page you just created, it's possible you didn't click the Approval button when creating your page. No worries, your pending page is probably waiting for you on the Pending Articles page. From the Articles menu, select the View Pending Articles button. Here you will find all the pages that are pending. If after looking here you still can't find your page, please contact the Technology Department. Select the pending article that you wish to view and double check that you have checked the Approved box in the Publish Settings section. If you need additional help creating pages for the school website, please contact the Technology Department and we will be happy to help.